Let me return to the image of weaving. A single thread can break easily, but when threads are woven together, they become strong, they become beautiful, they become enduring.
The same is true for culture. Without safeguards, indigenous traditions can unravel and be forgotten. That is why the Indigenous People Summer Workshop began in 2013, training children in songs, dances, and gong playing to ensure our heritage lives on. It was institutionalized in the year 2019 as the IP Cultural Workshop through SP Ordinance number 2019-158, with an annual allocation of funds under the Provincial Tourism and Culture Office. Cultural transmission is now mandated, funded, and sustained. For years, we focused on elementary schools until it was expanded to secondary schools and accredited IP organizations in 2025. The program evolved. Through Project Halu of Ambaguio High School, we revived Kalanguya food preservation and craftsmanship, turning heritage into livelihood. Through Silnag 2025, the Nueva Vizcaya IP Youth Summit, we empowered young leaders to shape policy and the future of their communities. Led by the Provincial Tourism and Culture Office, we created learning modules, published the IP booklet, and trained cultural bearers for our province. The IP Cultural Workshop is more than a program. It is a movement. It protects heritage, empowers communities, and ensures that Nueva Vizcaya's indigenous identity is not only remembered, but lived and passed on.